Hi, this is Rahul from Tech Tutor. Welcome to the channel again. In the last video, we had seen how to change some of the default configurations for an agile project. We had seen that we had gone into the administrations tab, and we had also we had changed the issue types, workflows, screens, and so on. Now you would notice that even if I have changed the schemes to the agile schemes for my project, and even in this scheme, you will see that uh, you have something called as the acceptance criteria. Now, this is a field which is already part of the scheme. However, when I create a new story that I'm just about to show you, when we create a new story, you would still see that there is no acceptance criteria as part of the fields that are that appears when we create an issue. Now, in order for us to, change that, where, you need to have the acceptance criteria, and there is also something called as a story point. Now, these are already part of the scheme, but not seen here. Now, in order for us to, do that, you need to again have the administration privileges and go to the settings on the right side here, and you'll have to click on issues. Now, under issues, you will come across on the left hand panel, you will see fields. Go to custom fields, and under custom fields, you will come across acceptance criteria. Now, for my project here, I have already defined it. For instance, you are using this tool for the first time, and you don't have some of your custom fields. This is the place where you can go and create it. You just need to go and say add custom field. And for me here, what I've done here is, you can create a acceptance criteria with a text field multi-line, because you need to put in a text in that box. I'm not going to create here, but this is how you can create. I'm just going to click cancel for now. Now, once you have created the acceptance criteria field, you need to go and configure this field. So again, go and click on configure, and under configuration, you will see that this particular field is now applicable to a requirement, to a user story, and also to a test. Okay, you can always go ahead and change that. Okay, uh, what we need to also do is you need to associate this particular field to the project as well. So I'm going to click on edit configuration, and under edit configuration, you are going to come to the choose applicable context, and we are going to go ahead and choose the test agile project, which is the project that we have created, and I'm going to click modify. And now this particular field has been applied to to the agile project that we have created. I want to do the same thing even for user stories, for the story points, I'm sorry. So let me just quickly go ahead and do that. uh, we need to scroll down to story points. Here we are, and I'm going to configure it now here. Go to edit configuration, and click on the test agile project which we have created. Here we are, and we have now applied the acceptance criteria and story points to our fields. So now when I go ahead and create, you need to go back to the agile, let's go back to our project here, and let me quickly show you. When I now create a new story, you will now see that you now have these fields of acceptance criteria and story points. So, this is how you go and add custom fields. And also, these custom fields need to be configured to be, for it to be seen on your on your issue screen. So that's all I had to cover for today's tutorial. I hope this was useful to you. Please do leave your comments, and I'll get back to any queries that you have. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.